Hi, I'm Heather Oster with Real Property Solutions. We're here at our lovely listing located in the heart of Covington in River Park Estates. This home features an Acadian 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a private guest house sitting on 1.4 acres, nestled in a country setting backing up to the Abita River. This property offers plenty of amenities that we would like to show you today, so let's go take a walk. Welcome to this lovely Acadian home.
Okay, we're going to be heading up the stairs right now to the library, which could also be an office, workroom. As you can see, it has many shelves, books, files. Heading down the stairs, we're going to be heading into the living room. Fireplace, opening up into the kitchen. We'll be going down the hallway now, heading towards the master bedroom. This is a view of the patio area from the master bedroom window. House has all hardwood floors. The TV on the wall stays with the house. Going into the master bathroom, has double sinks, tile floor, bathtub, closets. That's a spare bedroom. Another bedroom's down the hall with another bath to the right. Going into the kitchen area, we have a little office area, kitchen, hardwood floors, gas burners, double ovens, microwave, refrigerator, pantry. Beautiful kitchen heading out to the patio area, lots of light. Adjacent to the kitchen, we have a laundry area. Wash and dryer is negotiable, refrigerator stays. Door entrance into the garage, fully painted floor, shelving. Let's take a look outside, coming out from the kitchen into the patio area. You can see a lot of decking. Great for outdoor entertainment. This is the hothouse, where you can do a lot of pottery and plants, potting, soils. You see all the great decking. Many plants. All this decking and all the furniture, all the patio furniture you see is included in the price of the home. And the canopies is also included. This is a picture from the side of the guest house. As you can see, it has a private little area on the side with its own canopy area. Again, included in the price of the home. Let's go walk over to the guest house and take a look inside. There's a canopy area. It does have a unique porch to the back of it, and I'll take you for a look at that. There's the porch area in the back with a view of the backyard. Concrete table and benches. There you can sit out and enjoy nature. Let's go in the guest house. This is inside the guest house, the living room area, little dining area. This is a great kitchen. Lots of space, a lot of cabinets. Gas stop burner. Shelving. Has a laundry room. Refrigerator. Refrigerator stays. I think that's the dryer, that will stay. Here's where we entered. And then here's another entry into the porch area on the outside. Great counter space. Oven. And the refrigerator does stay with the house. Now we're going to the bedroom. And show you a picture of the closet. And the bathroom. Walk-in shower. Kind of hard to see, but it's there. All right, that's the guest room. Let's go out. Heading out from the guest room, the guest house. Going back out to the patio area. Again, a great view of the patio areas, looking towards the main house, looking at the great patio. All the potted plants stay with the house. We're going to take a walk to the yard area. Walking towards the back, towards the concrete tables and chairs, benches. Great area for yard entertainment. Kids to just go through the paths back here, walking in nature. Let's give you a view of the back of the house from this area. There's looking at the guest house, or mother-in-law suite, wherever you want to call it, with its private porches, canopy areas. We are touring around now to the main house with its porch and canopy area, along with the hothouse. Great yard, a lot of yard space for entertainment, even enough space to put probably a little pool back here, and great for barbecuing and a lot of family members that come over. Let's walk down the path of the backyard, and I'm going to show you the path that leads down to the Abita River. A little bench. You just kind of sit and listen to the birds chirping and nature. There's a walkway going down to the river. Not going to take you down there, but it's just a little ways down. It's not far. Right past where that log is laying back there. So you just follow that path, and the Abita River's right back there. Not a large river, but you can get a canoe back there, a small boat, and there's fish in the river as well for kids to catch some perch or bluegill or maybe a bass or two. Again, this property sits on 1.43 acres. we're walking now towards the guest house again. As you can see on the side of the guest house, there's a air conditioning unit for the guest house, as well as a generator. Now that generator supplies power to the guest house and to the main house. So in a storm or hurricane, this unit will supply power to both areas. There's a lot of storage underneath the house, as you can see. Again, the back of the yard leading down to the Abita River. This is the ramp available for a handicapped person, a disabled person to get up to the decking. Picture again of the front yard. Here's the AC unit to the main house. Let's go up the ramp a little bit and finish up our video here. Here we are again looking at the back porch of the main house, going to the hothouse, the canopy, to the main house, lawn furniture on the decking, and again to the guest house. All the canopies, all the furniture you see on the decking, all the potted plants, everything stays with the price of the home. It's a must-see. I know this video is a little short video, but if you're interested, come on, take a look at it. It's a must-see. It really is. Great price, great amenities. I'm turning it back over to Heather now, and she can conclude the video.
Hi, we would love for you to come see this home in person, or if you know of anybody that is looking to make a move, we would love to help them buy this home. Schedule a private showing. Call us at 504-237-2942 or on our website, rpsrealty.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.